Meaning of idiocy.
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 Idiocy. Idiocy refers to a severe mental disability characterized by profound intellectual impairment, often accompanied by physical abnormalities. People with idiocy may have difficulty communicating, learning, and performing daily tasks. They may also exhibit inappropriate behavior and have difficulty interacting socially. The condition is typically present at birth or develops during early childhood. Due to its severity, idiocy can significantly impact the individual's life and their family's life. Ongoing support and specialized education are often required to help individuals with idiocy achieve their full potential.